DA Carrie Brandenburg has picked a local attorney who's taken on cop killers and cops themselves to prosecute two APD officers for the death of James Boyd. But Brandenburg had a lot more on her mind when she made the announcement today. News 13's Aaron Drawhorn is in the Newsplex with why she says the community is in a crisis.
Jessica, when a judge disqualified Brandenburg from trying two APD cops for murder, she asked Attorney General Hector Balderas to take it on. He said no because of a conflict of interest. 13 other DAs didn't want the case either. So a powerhouse lawyer is taking on the controversial case for just $5,400. District Attorney Carrie Brandenburg announced who she handpicked to probe the James Boyd killing.
Randy McGinn has agreed to be the special prosecutor.
That announcement came 14 minutes into Brandenburg's wide-ranging 40-minute press conference. McGinn, a longtime trial lawyer, tells News 13, "Everything is on the table. I'm going to take a completely independent viewpoint on this. I may decide to dismiss the case altogether. I may decide that the pending charges are appropriate and proceed from there. And I may decide to file different charges." McGinn will look into the actions of officers Keith Sandy and Dominique Perez for last year's shooting of homeless camper James Boyd. In her career, McGinn prosecuted a cop killer, Joel Lee Compton, in 1983. More recently, she won a civil lawsuit against APD after an officer shot Christopher Torres, a mentally ill man, in 2011.
We would never prosecute anyone, no matter who they are, including police officers, without just and legal cause.
A judge banished Brandenburg from trying the cops because of an appearance of a conflict of interest. APD investigated Brandenburg and whether she may have bribed victims of burglary, acts allegedly committed by her son.
I'm not retaliating.
But the DA of 14 years didn't sugarcoat any troubles with APD.
I have had officers come to me and tell me things that cause me not to sleep at night.
And this self-described optimist
We are in a crisis that I'm not sure we can recover from.
Had a pessimistic tone.
Everybody feels powerless in making things better.
But she's not giving up.
We need to work together for solutions.
McGinn didn't go on camera, but she says she'll take between 10 and 12 days to go through the Boyd case file. Back to you, John.
All right. Thank you, Aaron. The defense attorney for Dominique Perez wouldn't tell us whether he would fight to remove McGinn as special prosecutor. Keith Sandy's attorney wouldn't comment.